Hey everybody, Dutchman Mods and Repairs back. The beast is together. Ignore the little AC line back there. Had a little boo-boo and new line on order, but hey, no biggie. The good thing is that it runs. Now we weren't stupid enough to start this up first on video, so hold on one sec. So real quick, we got everything back together, right? This is the K24 swap, and what we did, made sure all the fluids and everything were good to go. We unplugged the injectors, okay? So the injectors wouldn't deliver fuel, and cycled the motor 6, 7, 8 times, maybe 5 to 8 seconds a pop, just to get oil pressure up, oil circulating through everything. And yeah, then we got it started up. A few little hiccups. We had to probably some fuel line drain back and whatnot, but once that cleared up, they were running. So let's hear what it sounds like. So not too bad. We got a little power steering pump noise over here. We got to bleed some air out of that puppy. It's just got the basic tune on it right now. This will be going over to a place in town called Honda Medic, and they'll do more fine tune for the K20, K24 setup. So yeah, after 5 months, it's alive. Thanks for coming on the journey, guys. Give us a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Have a good one.